Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have legitimate ownership of the PC and the account in question. This is essential. Once done, gather recovery materials such as your Microsoft account email, phone, or a previously created password reset disk, and make sure you have access to another working device for research and downloads. If possible, back up important data to external storage to prevent loss. These preliminaries protect your files and keep the process legal and reversible. Next, pursue supported recovery paths rather than circumventing security. If it's a Microsoft account, use the official online recovery flow that verifies identity by email or phone. This is the recommended route. For local accounts, look for a prepared password reset disk or utilize Windows' built-in reset options accessible through the sign-in screen. These guided tools preserve system integrity. If the device belongs to your workplace or school, contact the IT administrator to perform authorized recovery. They can reset credentials. Finally, if recovery options fail and you've confirmed ownership, plan a clean install as a last resort. Make sure backups are complete before proceeding so you don't lose data. If BitLocker or other encryption is enabled, obtain the recovery key through your Microsoft account or organization. Without it, reinstalling won't restore encrypted files. If anything goes wrong, pause and get vendor or professional support to avoid data loss. Authorized technicians can validate identity and apply safe, legal recovery procedures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.